Shooty. What? Not okay.
That woke me up.
Huh?
That woke me up. I was up till
clean?
6.
Why? Watching a show.
No,
Yes.
I wasn't even watching a show, I was crying. I had my bands on, and I decided to put it on this tooth, and it hurt so bad.
That's why you were crying?
And also,
Or is
I
it
was
because
sad.
we've been quarantined for weeks?
No, it hurt. Like, I literally couldn't sleep. It was hurting so bad. You know, toothaches that hurt in, like, your gums?
Well, why'd you put it on that tooth?
To pull my...
Are you
Mouth
supposed
back?
to? Don't do
No,
things you're not supposed to
that's
do.
where I do put it, but they changed it. It's not working.
Okay, well, I'm gonna clean. You clean. We
This
got
is our guys' stuff. I ain't cleaning it.
That's, what do you mean that's our stuff?
That's your stuff that was in my room.
Then you brought it up here. Why would I bring it up to your room?
Kevin just brought it up here. Tell them to come over here and clean it up.
Take it to the laundry room.
Mom, what am I
You don't
supposed
do
to
the
with this
laundry.
stuff?
Laundry? Put it in a bag. We'll donate it.
I want to sell it.
No one's gonna buy it.
Yes, hold on. Those leggings have never been worn before. They're from American Eagle. Don't think about selling it. I'm selling it.
How? Where are you gonna sell it?
And my friends.
Okay, I'm gonna start in here. Okay, I know everything looks messy, but I have been crafting. When I craft, then like the kids are up here and then they're getting into things too. And I've just been crafting and then not cleaning up my mess. I made this for Layla, this little activity. And so this is what she was doing while I was like over here doing this stuff. Then we found Christmas crafts. And this stuff was up here, but I wanted to take a picture, so I just quickly put it there, and then the kids played with it, you know, stuff like that. Obviously, blankets need to be folded. I still want to make more rainbows, so that's why this stuff is still... That's why it's messy, but I am going to clean it. So, I think I'm going to start in here. I'm going to put, like, the projects that I want to actually make. Like, I should just start, like, today, because I've really enjoyed crafting during the quarantine. So, I think I'm just going to put, like, each little project together, and then put the other stuff away that I know I'm not going to be using, because, I don't know, I feel like I'm going to use it all, but I probably won't. You guys, it feels so good to clean. Sometimes I forget, you know, sometimes I just keep putting it off and I forget how nice it is when things are cleaned up. I mean, this room is probably going to be a little messier most of the time if I'm crafting in here. I just came up the stairs, so I'm out of breath, but I do need to figure something out for this area. Like, I have this cabinet that I love and it has so many of like my craft supplies in there, but like for my bigger things, they don't really fit in there, so I need to figure out like something to put them in, or you know, or just accept that it might be a little messy in here. It doesn't matter. No one really comes up here other than Braylee, but also just made myself a smoothie. I haven't been doing clean simple eats. I've talked about it a lot. That's how I initially like got healthy and lost weight, but more importantly got healthy after I had Layla. It was like, I think it was like right after her birthday, or maybe it was around her birthday, and I was like, okay, I feel like I want to start doing something and I started doing Clean Simple Eats, and I did such a good job, and I loved it, and the food is really good, and I was able to get back on track, and I was able to learn so much more about eating and feeding my body and still being able to be healthy and happy and lose weight, and it just healed so many things inside of me. It was, you know, I know it was like the right time, and it was just, I was in a healthier place altogether, but it was just something that I really loved. And they do like more like counting macros, and I did it for a long time, and then I kind of stopped. But I've been making these smoothies again, and like, why haven't I been making these? These are like cherry almond smoothies, and they're so good. So I haven't been doing all of Clean Simple Eats, but I've been like picking some of my favorite recipes and just eating them again, I guess. But I haven't been like counting macros. But anyways, I kind of got off track. Super happy about the smoothie and all. But look at my office. Obviously I cleaned it. I need to vacuum again. And I moved some stuff around. What do you guys think about this situation? I don't know. We'll see. Everything is really easy to move. So I'm like, I'll try this for a while. Maybe I won't like it because like the beautiful lighting is behind me, but I like how easy I can just flip this chair over here, open that, and then I can look outside or have privacy. I don't know. I mean, I liked the desk over here because of like the wallpaper, and I thought it was pretty, but I kind of like this. It just feels a little, I don't know, more open to me. So I got this because I wanted to start doing like outfits of the day and showing you guys hauls and different things. And so I got this because I thought when I get clothes I can just hang them up, and then I can start doing that. I got this mirror so I could show you, but it's kind of a small mirror, and I just didn't do it, I think, because it's so easy for this. It was so easier for this area to get cluttered with craft stuff. It's not a very big room anyways, but I really like the idea of not bringing crafts in here, and so I don't think that I will, because then I can come in here, it will stay clean, and I can edit and stuff. I just didn't ever want to come in here and edit because it was messy, and when things are messy, it drives me crazy. You might not think that about me because my life is like kind of cluttered, but it does drive me crazy, and I just didn't like this space. I'm like, I can switch things around, I can, you know, do stuff like that with the furniture, and then I can come up here and edit, and it will be clean and nice and beautiful. And I actually do like this view too, especially if my doors were closed, looking out there. But anyways, it's feeling good to get things cleaned up. But do you guys, when you guys clean, do you feel like you get lost in thought? And I have been thinking about being quarantined. I've been thinking about all of the things that are going on in the world, and I've also been on like Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, and everywhere that I look, I hear something different. I hear some people say that they refuse to quarantine, and I'm like, ugh. But then I'm just like, the longer that you don't do this, the longer that we all have to be like this, and I'm already losing my mind. I just want this to be over, and if everyone could just stay home. I know it's so hard, but then this just could be over. I understand the points that they're trying to make, and it's the people making them I love. I'm just like, but you don't understand. We have to do this. So anyways, I've been a little upset. Honestly, I've been a little upset about it, just because my emotions are heightened from being alone, lonely, locked in this house. Thank goodness for my family, and I don't mean to complain. I'm happy to do what we have to do, but that's just my thought. Like, if everyone could just do this and stick with it as much as possible, then this could be over, and how amazing would that be? Grateful that I got things cleaned up, but I was definitely in my head way too much. So like, I need to take a little break, get something to eat, and then get back at it. I want to get now everything like really super organized and decluttered, because I hang on to things in every area of my life. I hang on to things. I showed you guys upstairs, but we found some Christmas crafts that we didn't put together, so we're doing it now. You guys ready? We've had crafts going on non-stop. It's actually been a lot of fun. I was laughing at this because this is just something that Winston does all the time. It's like, this is not because of quarantine. This is because it's normal around our house. Yeah. Super cute. Okay. Which one do you want, Winston? The Santa hat? And you want the earmuffs? Okay. These are actually really cute pom-poms. You could make these at home just with yarn, and then if you have like some felt and stuff, I'll show you what's inside. So yeah, basically it's just like a little yarn ball. The front of the belly is white, and then another little yarn ball. And then they have just like the felt, so we can make the little hat. And then Layla has the same thing, except for she has a pink pipe cleaner and then 2 of the little pom-poms.
I know.
So that's all you would need. And then like the felt for the feet and for the arms, and then just googly eyes. Oh, and a little beak. So those are pretty easy to put together. I mean, not that you probably want to put together Christmas crafts right now, but. Layla, let me see your little penguin. No, don't touch this. Let me see your little penguin. Grab it. Cutie. You did good. Let's see, where's Winston? Winston didn't want a beak on his, so his is not a penguin.
It's a snowman penguin.
It's a snowman penguin. I like it. Good job, guys. Was that fun?
Yeah, how to do it.
That's how you do it?
You need a beak. I'm gonna go pet.
Winston doesn't want a beak.
I'm gonna go pet this somehow.
Okay.
Need this. Need a beak.
Yeah, just a second.
If you have like snowman, we can put bunny ears on them.
Oh yeah. It did snow here today. It didn't last very longer. You could have made a snowman bunny. But the snow would have lasted longer, but it melted. We actually woke up to quite a bit of snow. We had enough snow that I thought that it would last, but then it melted. But then it just got done snowing again. About 15 minutes ago it stopped, and there's like a tiny bit on the grass. But it definitely won't last. Let me see that penguin. That is cute.
No,
Did it snow on the trampoline? Yeah. The kids have still jumped on the trampoline. That trampoline is also supposed to be like weather resistant, is that what you would say? So they said that you could leave it up year round even if you get snow. What has happened to our trampolines is that it got so heavy that it stretched the springs out, or it like pops them off, or it messes with the stitching, or it rusts the springs. But where that doesn't have any springs, you don't have to worry about it. So I don't know. I mean, I don't know what else we would do besides leave it up, because I definitely don't want to take it back down.